Lonsdale recently went through a club relaunch. This was new branding, course redevelopment and new clubhouse. So they wanted a website to really showcase their new video and image content and build their brand identity. One of the other issues was that their existing website was built back in 2014 when the majority of traffic was from desktop users. Now 62% of their traffic actually comes from portable devices, so we needed a mobile first designed website to really optimize that user experience. We really wanted to create a full width design for desktop experience, so it would showcase their recently produced image and video content. Also, as the club was recently relaunched, we wanted to help build brand awareness. We did this through repeating their strong colour scheme of that blue-green gradient and then their abstract flag, repeating that logo design throughout the design elements on the website. Lonsdale features a public bookings widget located in the navigation. Now it's fixed nav, which on desktop and mobile, on scroll, will always be fixed to the top of the viewport. Now on click, the button will then reveal a modal which displays up-to-date green fees, any notices the club wants to promote or present, and then a book golf button which simplifies the process for prospective golfers to book their golf. Members have been really happy with the new website. They've been really enjoying their modified members portal, which gives them easy access to news and then their member specific information, accounts, golf bookings, leaderboards. For me, the project, really fun to work on. Their new branding was super vibrant and youthful, which I think created a great point of difference, which hopefully I captured within the website build.